Hello friends, let us discuss new concept, another one, mean and variance of probability distribution. Last year we have studied mean and variance of frequency distribution. See, mean of probability distribution is called as expectation or mathematical expectation, and variance is variance only. Let x be the random variable with possible values x1, x2, xn with respective probabilities p1, p2, so on up to pn. Then mean of x, that is expectation of x, it is called as expectation of x. Expectation of x is equal to mu, it is denoted by mu. Mu means this is population mean. X bar is for sample mean of the sample values. Here it is not required respectively again. Okay, that is, or if you write, you can write like this, or x, the probability distribution of x, both mean the same. Then mean is expectation of x is equal to summation xi into pi, or it is mu. x1 p1 plus x2 p2 plus xi pi plus xn pn, summation xi into pi. Okay, see, remember last year also I told these probabilities are nothing but relative frequencies. See, in the last example we have studied the probability of number of heads in throwing 3 coins. Probability of x is 1 by 8. Probability of this is 3 by 8. This is 3 by 8 and this is 1 by 8. Total is 1, isn't it? See, total number of outcomes is 8. Out of 8, 1 is favorable to, suppose x is number of heads. No heads means only one possible, all are tails. So that is 1 by 8. So that is nothing but relative frequency. Last year also you have studied that Fi, F by n, relative frequency. This relative frequency itself is in the frequency distribution F and n. Suppose some x values, say 10, 15, 12, okay, some 3, 4, 5, etc. See, probability of x taking value 16 is 3 by 12. Out of 12, 3 are favorable to 6. 4 by 12 for 15. Probability of x is equal to 12 is 5 by 12, like that. So, here the sum of the frequencies is capital N, here sum of the probabilities is 1. Okay, so probabilities are same as relative frequency. See, in this x bar is also, x bar is, what is x bar? Summation of f x by n, isn't it? So this is nothing but summation of f by n into x. So this is same as, this pi is nothing but f by n into xi. For variable we write xi. Actually this should be 1 to n of xi only, fi only. So this x bar and expectation of x are one and the same. But for probability distribution we call it as expectation of x, and that mean corresponds to the population. There are two terms, population and sample. So usually this sample mean is denoted by x bar, and variance is, as in the earlier case, say last year you have studied, variance is 1 by n into summation of x minus x bar whole square, isn't it? So this x bar is nothing but expectation of x. This x, this is replaced by 1 by n into this is replaced by x. So variance of x in probability distribution is expectation of x minus expectation of x whole square. This is the definition you have to remember. Or x minus this is mu whole square. And if you simplify this, expand this will get x square minus 2 into, see I will write here, expectation of x square plus mu square minus 2 times x into mu. See, expectation of x square plus mu square minus 2 into expectation of x into mu, that is expectation of x square plus mu square minus this is 2 mu, expectation of x is mu into mu, or minus 2 mu square expectation of x square minus mu square, or expectation of variance of x is expectation of x, variance of x is expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square or mu square. Okay. Here expectation of x is summation of xi pi, expectation of x square is summation xi square pi, not pi square. Okay, see here expectation of x is summation of x px or x pi. Okay, I'll write pi only. Pi, expectation of x square is summation of xi square pi. Expectation of yi is summation of yi pi. Expectation of yi square is summation yi square pi, like that. Expectation of z is summation zi pi. Okay, only thing you have to remember is expectation of x is summation xi pi, variance of x is, say, expectation of x minus expectation of x whole square, or expectation of x square minus expectation of okay. So these three formula you have to remember. Now one question, find the mean and variance of the number obtained on a throw of an unbiased die. Okay, let us find that. Example is, find the mean and variance of number obtained on a throw of unbiased die. Let x is number obtained on a throw of unbiased die. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3, so on. The probability distribution. The probability distribution of x is x and px. What are the possible values of x number? What are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Probability of 1 is 1 by 6. Probability of 2 is 1 by 6. Probability of 3 is 1 by 6. 1 by 6 each, isn't it? Okay. So what is the definition of mean? Mean is equal to expectation of x, that is equal to summation of x into pi, xi pi. Okay, these are pi's. X into pi you require, xi pi, these are pi's. Okay, 1 into 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 2 into 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 into 1 by 6, 4 into 1 by 6, 5 into 1 by 6, 6 into 1 by 6. Okay, that means sum of this 1 by 6, 2 by 6. Okay, these are XIPS, its total. So on up to 6 by 6, or if you take 1 by 6 common, 1 plus 2, so on up to 6. That is 1 by 6 into 6 into 7 by 2, or this is 7 by 2 is the mean of the distribution, probability distribution. Now variance. Variance is expectation of x square minus expectation of x whole square. What is expectation of x square? Is equal to summation x squared into pi, actually xi square. Okay, that means xi square pi. So already xi pi is there. If you multiply this again with x, that will become xi square. 1 by 6 into 1, 1 by 6. 2 by 6 into 2, 4 by 6. 3 by 6 into 3, 9 by 6. 4, 16 by 6. 5, 25 by 6. 6, 36 by 6. Okay. Now this is equal to 1 by 6 plus 4 by 6 plus 36 by 6, or 1 by 6 into, if you sum this numerator, 1 plus 4, 5 plus 9, 15, 14, 14 plus 16, 30, 30 plus 25, 55 plus 6, 61, 81, 81 by 6. Okay. Now variance of x is, variance of x is equal to expectation of x square is 81 by 6 minus 7 by 2 whole square, or 81 by 6 minus 49 by 4. If you take LCM, that will be 12. 12 means this is 2. 162 minus 3 is 3 9 is 27. 3 4 is 12 plus 2, 147. Or 147 means 15 by 12. 15 by 12 is equal to, this is how much? 3 5 is 3 4 is 5 by 4. Sometimes this example may ask for competitive exam also. If possible, you can remember the result. Okay. 13.4 exam exercise. State which of the following are not probability distribution of a random variable. See, first distribution x 0 1 2 with respective probability. Okay, is it a probability distribution? Yes, it is. It is because each pi are non-negative and sum of pi is equal to 1. If you sum this, you will get 1 and each are non-negative. So it is a probability distribution. So 1 is probability distribution. Second one, what is the sum? Sum is 1, but one pi is not, it is not a probability distribution because probability of x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3 is minus 0.1, which is not greater than or equal to 0. It is less than 0. Okay. So, third one, it is not a probability distribution because why? Sum of pi is greater than 1. It is 1.1. Here 5, so 0.5. So it is also not a probability distribution because summation pi is greater than 1. It is 1.05. Okay. So you have to check for each probability as well as total. If both the conditions satisfies, then the distribution is probability distribution of a random variable. Second one, an urn contains 5 red and 2 black balls. 2 balls are randomly drawn. Let x be the number of black balls. What are the possible values of x? Is a random variable. X is a random variable. Is x a random variable? Okay. Urn contains this one. 2 balls are selected. Experiment is selecting 2 balls from the urn. The sample space may be 2 black. First one black, second one red. First one red, second one may be black, or both may be red. This is same as tossing 2 coins. See, when x is a function of bb is equal to number of, this is 2, isn't it? Suppose x is number of black balls, x is 2. When x belongs to R, function x is RB, then first one red, second one black, this value will be 1. X of BR is again 1. X of both red, then this will be 0, isn't it? Okay. So this is a random variable. This depends on any one of this outcome may occur, not all. So this range from 0, 1 or 2. So x is random variable. Possible values of x are 0, 1 or 2. Probability distribution, it is not asked. Probability distribution of black balls is x with respective probability when x is 0. How many outcomes? 1 by 4. 1 by 4. When x is 1, 2 by 4. When x is 2, that is 1 by 4. Okay, it is a probability distribution because sum of the probabilities is 1. Suppose you write the total, this will be 1. Let x represents the difference between the number of heads and the number of tails obtained when a coin is tossed 6 times. What are the possible values of x? Okay, answer is, when x is the difference between the number of heads and the number of tails. Okay, x is when 6 head occurs and no tail. This will be 6 minus 0. The value of the random variable will be 6. When 5 head occurs and 1 tail, the value of the random variable will be 5 minus 1, that is 4. When 4 head occurs and 2 tails, that is 4 minus 2, that is 2. When 3 head occurs and 3 tails, the value of the random variable will be 0. When x is 2 head and remaining will be 4 is equal to 2 minus 4 is equal to 2 only. X is 1 head and 5 tail is 1 minus 5. X is no head and 6 tail is 1 minus 0 minus 6 and 6. What are the possible values of x? Therefore, values of x are, so this repeats, 0, 2, 4 and 6, isn't it? Find the probability distribution of number of heads in 2 tosses of a coin, number of tails in simultaneous tosses of 3 coins, number of heads in 4 tosses of a coin. A. Number of heads in 2 tosses of a coin. So you can write the sample space. Okay. HH, HT, TH and TT. See, X is number of heads. Means probability, this may be, number of heads may be 0, 1, both this corresponds to 1 and maximum 2. Probability of x is pi is, this is xi, is 1 by 4, only 1. 2 by 4 and 1 by 4. This is the required probability. Each one is non-negative, sum is 1. Second one, here sample space is HHH, HH, T, H, T, H, T, H, H and H, T, 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 H, T, 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 H and 3 T's. See, X is number of tails. So X may be 0, X may be 1, number of tails may be 2, number of tails may be 3. Probability of X is equal to 0. No tails, all are heads. It is 1 by 8. Totally 8 outcomes. So this is 3 by 8, 3 by 8 and 1 by 8. Okay. C is sample space. Please try to write. Okay. HHH. Write this. Total number of outcomes will be 2 to the power 4. It is 60. N is 60. Probability distribution, number of X is number of heads. That is X may be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So Pi, this is 1 by 60, this is also 1 by 60, isn't it? So what about probability of X is 1, that is 4 by 16, this is also 4 by 16, 6 by 16. Okay. So this can be computed very easily by using binomial distribution. Okay. After your study, you will come to know that without writing the sample space. If you want, you can write the sample space also, but it will take time. You should not miss. You follow one order and without missing, you can write the sample space. But if it is more than 4, it is not advisable to write the sample points. Better you follow binomial distribution. See, find the probability distribution of the number of success in 2 tosses of a die, where a success is defined as number greater than 4 or 6 appears on at least one die. Okay, solution is let random variable X is number of success. See, there are 2 cases. First one, the number may be greater than 4 or less than or equal to 4. So number of success may be at the maximum. If in both the cases, since you are tossing 2 dice, it may be 0, it may be 1, it may be 2, isn't it? Maximum 2 success, it may be 1, it may be 0. So possible value for X is 0, 1 and 2. probability of success is equal to probability of number greater than 4. Probability of number five or 6, number 5 or number 6, that is probability of number greater than 4 means probability 5 or 4, not to space, probability of 5 or 6, that is 2 by probability of 5 or 6, 2 by 6 into 2 by 6, isn't it? So probability of success is 2 by 6, probability of failure is do one thing, yes, 2 by 6 only. Probability of failure is probability of number less than or is equal to 4, that is 1, 2, 3 or 4, that is 4 by 6, this is 2 by 3, this is 1 by 3. Now probability of when this is number greater than 4, this is the probability. So probability of x is equal to 0, number of success is 0, okay, number of success is equal to 0, probability of x is equal to 0. When both are probability of both dice show number less than 4, isn't it, less than or equal to 4, that means 4 by 6 into 4 by 6 or 2 by 3 into 2 by 3, that is 4 by 9. Yes. Similarly, probability of x is equal to 1, number of success is 1, that means probability of first one is greater than 4 and second one less than or equal to 4, or first one less than or equal to 4 and second one greater than 4, that is probability of first one greater than 4 and second one less than or equal to 4 plus probability of first one less than or equal to 4 and second one greater than 4, that is first one is greater than 4 means 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 plus less than or equal to 4 means 2 by 3, greater than 4 is 1 by 3, sorry, this is 2 by 3. this is 1 by 3, this is 1 by 3, that is 4 by 9. Probability of x is equal to 2 is, probability of x is equal to 2, probability of x is equal to 2 is, probability of first one greater than 4 and second one is also greater than 4, that is 2 by 6 or 1 by 3 to 2 by 6 is equal to 4 by 36 or 2 by 4 ones are 4 nines are 1 by 9. Therefore, probability distribution is, probability distribution of x means number of success, is x with respective probability is, x is 0, 1, 2, 0 is 4 by 9, 1 is 4 by 9, this is 1 by 9. This satisfies the condition of probability distribution. Similarly, you find the second case. In the second case, x is 6 appears at least one die. This is not x actually. Success is defined as this. If success is not success is 0, x can take 0 also. Okay, that means x is number of success. So x may be 0, 1, 2. See, if x is equal to 0, number of success, so that means probability of first one non 6 and in the second one is also is non 6. That means probability of non 6 into non 6, that is 5 by 6 into 5 by 6. Probability of x is equal to 1 is probability of first one 6 and second non 6, or first one non 6 and second 6. This may be probability of first one 6. First one 6 means 1 by 6. Second one non 6, 5 by 6, or means plus. First one non 6, 5 by 6 into it is 10 by 6. 10 by 36. This is 25 by 36. Probability of x is equal to 2. Probability of both first one 6 and second one is also 6. So this is 1 by 6 into 1 by 6. So 1 by 36. So probability distribution is of x is with respective probabilities or pi 0, 1, 2. This is 25 by 36. 1 is 10 by 36. 36. Okay.